Hello everyone, welcome to Career Launcher. So today we are going to talk about CSAT previous year questions. We are going to do logical reasoning in today's session, and we are going to cover. This is part 3 of CSAT 2023. So what we are going to do over here, we have already covered a few questions of logical reasoning in the previous two sessions, and this is the third part of that session. Okay, so let's move on to the question and see what kind of questions we are going to get in the exam. So first statement says A plus B means A is neither smaller nor equal to. It means A is greater than B because it's neither small nor equal. Now, so basically plus means greater. A minus B, it means A is not greater. So if A is not greater, it means A can be smaller or A can be equal. So A is less than equal to B. Okay. Now what does multiplication means? A is not smaller than B. It means A can be either greater or equal than B. Fair point. Now A divided by B means A is neither greater nor equal. So it's not greater nor equal. So it should be less than B. And a plus minus means A is neither greater nor smaller. It means A must be equal to B. So this is these 5 signs mean. Okay. Now let's look at the question. The statement is given P into Q. Okay. So into means greater equal. So it means P is greater equal than Q. Okay. The next one is P is minus. So minus means P is smaller or less than T. Okay. Now T divided by R, it means division means less. It means T is less than R. And R plus minus S, it means R is equal to S. Okay, so this is what that is given to us. Okay. This is R is greater than T. So I am going to write S is equal to R. R is greater than T. Now T is greater equal than P. And P is greater equal than Q. So I'm just writing all of them in a single statement. Okay. Now the question says which of the following conclusion that follows. So Q plus minus T means Q should be equal to T. But the thing is, if I'm going to look at this, by this I can say T is greater equal than Q. And so it means this is wrong. So conclusion 1 is wrong. So conclusion 1 follows is wrong. Okay, so if conclusion 1 is wrong, then both follows is also wrong. Okay. Now let's look at this. S plus means greater. It means S is greater than Q. Okay. So S is equal to R. R is greater than T. So it means T is greater equal than Q and it is smaller than S. It means S is definitely going to be greater than Q. It means second conclusion follows. So answer of this question is going to be option B. That is only conclusion 2 follows, but conclusion 1 doesn't. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. What does it says? 40 children are standing in a circle and one of them, let's say child 1, has a ring. Okay, so child 1 has a ring, then child 2, then child 4, then child 7. So the ring, the first guy who held the ring was 1. Then the next guy is 1 plus 1, that is second guy. Now the next one is going to be 1 plus 1 plus 2. That is the third movement, right? Second movement goes to fourth child. Then it goes to seventh child. Okay. Then seventh, after seventh, it is going to be 11th. Then it is going to be 16th and so on. Now question says that after how many such changes, the ring will be in the hand of child 1 again. Okay. There are 40 children. So basically there are 40 children. So this is 40. This is 1. So it is circular ring or whatever it is. This is 2. This is 3. So this is first. As well as I can say after 40, this guy is going to be 41st. After 2 rounds, this guy is going to be 81st. After 3 rounds, it is going to be 121st guy. So this child, the ranking of this child can be given in the format of 40n plus 1. So it can be first guy, it can be 41st guy, it can be 81st guy, it can be 121th guy, it can be 161th guy, it can be 201 guy, and so on. Okay, so basically it goes to n, and it should be in the format of 40n plus 1. Okay. Now I know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to n is actually n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Now if it says 14, okay, so 14 into 15 divided by 2 is 105 plus 1, 106, 106th guy. So it means that is not a multiple of it is not in the format of 14 plus 1. It means this after 14 movements, it won't be in the hand of the first guy. Okay. Now let's go with 15. So I am going to get 15 into 16 divided by 2. So it is going to be 8, 121, sorry, 120. So 1 plus 120 is going to be 121. It means it is going to be the first guy because it is in the format of 40n plus 1. So after how many movements it is going to be in the hands of child 1 again? That is going to be after 15 movements. It is going to be in the hand of child 1 again. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. What does it says? The question is talking about what is the middle term of this sequence. Okay. So what does it says? So if you look at this very closely, so Z is what? Z is 26th letter. It is appearing twice. Okay. Then let's talk about Y. Y is 25th letter and it is appearing thrice. Then let's look for X. X is 24th letter and it is appearing 4 times. W is appearing 5 times, and this is the arrangement. So it means when I am going to go till A, how many times it is going to be appeared? It is going to be appeared 27 times because 1 to 26 and the first value itself is 2. So it is going to go from 2 to 27. Okay. And this is what we have. Okay. So what is the total terms in the sequence? That is 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 27. Okay. Now we know it is an arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression, what is the average? That is first term divided by last term. First term plus last term divided by 2. If I multiply it by number of terms, I am going to get sum, and that is the total number of terms I am going to get. That is 13. So I am going to get 29 into 13. That is going to be 377. Okay, so there are 377 terms in the sequence. So if there are 377 terms in the sequence, how I am going to find the middle term? So what is the middle term? Middle term is defined as if number of terms are n, that is n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so it comes out to be middle term is going to be 378 divided by 2. So it is going to be 1. This is going to be 8 and 9. 189th term we are talking about. Okay, so which is going to be, the question is saying which is going to be 189th term, and that will give me my answer. Now instead of going from Z to opposite side, I am starting from A. A is appearing 27 times. Okay, so A goes 27 times. B goes 26 times. Okay, so total are 53. C goes 25 times. It is going to be 78. D goes 24 times. Total sum comes out to be 102. Okay. Now E goes 23 times. So it is going to be 125 terms. Okay. Now F goes 22 times. So it is going to be 147 terms. Okay. G goes 21 times. Okay. So it is going to be 168 times. H goes 20 times. This goes 188 times. Now 189th term is definitely going to be I, because till H you have completed 188 terms. So 189th term is going to be I, and next 19 term are going to be I only. So which is going to be the middle term? That is going to be I. That is option B. This is a question that is pure manual question. You have to write everything down and get the answer manually. But this is a question that can definitely be solved in the exam, because it is going to take 2.5 minutes to get it solved. But it is a question that is definitely going to give you the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next one. What does it says? It says that in a party there are 75 people who took tea. 60 people have a coffee, 15 took both. No one taking milk is takes tea. Okay. So basically, what I'm going to do, I am going to draw a Venn diagram. Okay. So this is my tea, this is my coffee, this is my milk. Total people who have tea is 75. Total people who have coffee is 60, and 15 is this both. Okay. And milk and tea has no intersection. It means it is 0, it is 0. So this common value comes out to be 15. This is 60, this is 45. Now let's say this is X and this is Y. Okay. So what is the total number of people we are talking about? That is 60. Sorry, it is not going to be 45. It is going to be 45 minus X. So 60 plus 15 is going to be 75. 75 plus 45 is 120. So total number of people are 120 plus Y. This is what that is given to us. Okay. Now the question is saying how many people attended the party. So that is 120 plus Y. So our job is to figure out the value of Y. Okay. Now 50 people took milk. It means X plus Y. The first statement tells us X plus Y is equal to 50. Okay. So X plus Y equal to 50. Now from here, I don't have any idea what is X, what is Y. There are going to be multiple possibilities. It means this cannot be the answer. By using statement 1, I cannot find the answer. Okay. Now let's move to the second statement. What does it says? Number of persons who attended the party is 5 times the number of persons who took only milk. Okay. So what is the only milk? That is Y. What is the total number of people? That is 120 plus Y. So 120 plus Y is equal to 5Y. So from here, I can say 4Y is equal to 120. So Y comes out to be 30. So if Y is 30, then total number of people are going to be 150. Are we getting a definite answer by using statement 2? Yes. So the question can be answered using one of the statements alone, but cannot be answered by using the another statement alone. So obviously we can get the answer by using second statement alone, but not by using first statement alone. So here my answer of this question is going to be option A. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. What does it says? If today is Sunday, which day we are going to have exactly on 10 power 10th day? Okay. Okay. So basically 10 power 10 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is total number of days we are talking about, 10 power 10. Today is Sunday. Okay. So I know that after 7 days, we have the same day. So if we have multiple of 7 days, then we are always going to have same day. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide this value by 7. So 7 ones are 7. Okay. Then this is 3, 0, 7 fours are 28, 2, 0, 7 twos are 14, 6, 0, 7 eights are 56. Then what is left out? It is going to be 4. So 4 is 0. So it is going to be 4 0 is 7 5s are 55 is 35, 5 0, 7 sevens are then 1, 1 0 is so 1 0 is again 1, 4. Um, what we are going to get? 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, 3 3 6 7 8, 9, okay, 10, 11. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then what we are going to get, then after it, it is going to be 2. Then the remainder of this is going to be 4. So I am going to have these many days and 4 remaining days. Okay, so 4 remaining days. So after these many weeks, we are going to have exactly same day. It means we are going to have Sunday only. So it means the question is talking about which day is going to be after these days. So it means we are going to talk about 4 days after Sunday, and 4 days after Sunday is going to be Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So which day is going to be after exactly 10 bar 10th day? That is going to be Thursday, and that's how we are going to calculate the answer of this question. So if anyone has any doubt, you can drop a message on the comment box, and we will get back to you. Thank you.